Well, welcome back everybody. Hi, my name's John and I'm with LTD Woodworks. It's been a long time since my last video, or real video I should say, probably roughly 2 years. It's been a lot going on behind the scenes. As most of y'all don't know, on the personal side, my wife and I bought a local window and door business. So that's been keeping us incredibly busy, as well as moving out of the old house. I'm sure y'all seen old footage of the old shop and into a new house, hence a new shop tour. So that's what this video is all about. So obviously on the outside we have a nice set of French doors that open wide. So let's go on in and see the shop. Well, here you go. So here's the inside of the new shop. Everything that you will be seeing throughout the video is literally how it got moved into. Literally put everything in, dumped it in its place, and that's where it's sat for now. Probably been quite a few months now. Yes, again, I'm busy. So anyway, this wall right here, obviously 2x4 framing with insulation. Previous owner left the screens to all the windows here, so I need to get around to putting those back in. Some leftover siding, etc. My plans moving forward probably happen here within a month. I'm actually going to install 2 new windows right here to let in a lot of natural light. The sun does come from this direction, so that's going to be a nice thing to add, because we'll get into it, but that's the other bad thing about this shop is the lighting. So moving forward, so as we continue on around the room, I will go ahead and tell you the shop dimensions. So running in this direction is almost 23 feet. It's about technically 22 feet 10 inches, and running in this direction is 21 feet, or technically about 20 feet 8 inches. The ceiling height up to the metal ceiling is almost 8 feet. I will be showing you some steel support beams that hold up the garage above. Those unfortunately do hang down lower, about 7 foot, or give or take a little bit. And obviously currently right here you can see the inner door. That just leads into the inner living space. Happens to be my man cave. So let's continue on around the room. And moving on around to this corner of the shop, you'll obviously see a bench here. Now this is left over from the previous owner. I have not decided what to do with it just yet. I mean, obviously I could keep it, I could reconfigure it. Maybe I could make the miter station for it. I don't know. A lot of choices, so obviously if y'all have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. While we're here, you can obviously see one of the steel beams. See just how low that it hangs, so that's just one thing I'm gonna have to deal with moving forward. And also, the first walls, obviously 2x4 walls. We're still on 2x4 framed walls, and transitioning over, we're transitioning into poured concrete. So I think I want to fur these out and add some sort of wood paneling or any other type of wood. I just don't like the look of concrete, and not to mention it's obviously hard to mount things to it, so converting it over to wood is what I want to do. Alright, so lastly behind me you can see the last wall, just another bare concrete wall. And again, like I said, I just brought everything in and just sat it on the floor. So some of the high points of what needs to be done. Obviously layout. I need to figure out where I want to put all the tools. I already mentioned furring out the walls and adding wood. That needs to be done. Electrical. I need to run electrical to, I think, just these 2 walls. Obviously more plug-in places for the tools. Let's see. Dust collection. Need to figure that out, but obviously that goes back to where I want to put the tools. More electrical. Electrical lighting. Obviously I need to improve the lighting in here. It's pretty poor. The floor. It's currently a concrete floor. Thought about maybe putting in, I've seen them on TV or other videos anyway, those black foam pads that interlock together. One for a softer surface, and 2 obviously dropping tools on them. You don't want to drop them on concrete. So anyway, I think that's the gist of it. I just want to show you all the high points again, or low points. Anyway, so moving forward, obviously a lot to do, so I hope y'all want to follow along and see the journey. So without further ado, that's pretty much all I have for now. So obviously if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Obviously don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the following videos. We'll see y'all later. Thanks. Bye-bye.